Steampunk Patrick. Living in a pineapple beneath the ocean, it's none other than our Steampunk Patrick. Suddenly, everything becomes clear. This explains why Patrick displays remarkable strength in specific episodes, experiences occasional changes in eye color, and emits smoke from his head during moments of intense mental exertion. To craft this astonishing creation, the inventor used components readily available for purchase on Taobao and UV resin, which allows for the application of rapidly hardening thin layers. The final result is undeniably impressive. In fact, it would be truly fantastic if the creator could curate a dedicated exhibition showcasing the denizens of Bikini Bottom, all set to the iconic Terminator soundtrack. GJ Power Sports 4x4 Homemade Buggy. Take a look at this incredible video that condenses 4 years of effort into just a couple of minutes. You're witnessing a homemade buggy that incorporates components from both a Suzuki GSX 600 motorcycle and a Suzuki Samurai off-roader. The craftsman also utilized specialized SolidWorks software for crafting 3D models. With a robust 600 engine producing 86 horsepower, this buggy can achieve speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour. Interestingly, the deceptively simple design underwent 15 conceptual iterations, 8 variations, and countless hours of labor. The final outcome was so impressive that the creator even contemplated the possibility of mass production, leaving us curious about its potential price. Dai prosthetic hand. Were you aware that there are more than 1 million amputations conducted globally each year? Regrettably, the prosthetic market can often be a source of frustration. Consider this resourceful individual, for example, who experimented with the iDigits model, but found it to be slow and uncomfortable. Driven to discover a solution, he undertook the task of designing and constructing his very own prosthetic. This homemade prosthetic offers a straightforward, practical, and cost-effective alternative. All the necessary components are readily available on Amazon. Constructed from metal with purely mechanical mechanisms, it operates without the need for batteries or any similar complexities. Remarkably, each finger consists of fewer than 10 components. The entire process, from design to final assembly, consumed approximately 600 hours of work. Interestingly, when factoring in the hours spent, the cost of this homemade prosthesis comes to around $48,000. Making it a more affordable option compared to the iDigits model. Wrist-mounted crossbow toy. It's too early to put away the topic of shooting, so let's discuss this compact wrist-mounted crossbow. Initially, the creator was simply having fun and had no intentions of sharing the results online. However, it turned out to be quite impressive. This miniature crossbow is equipped with a magazine capable of holding up to 5 rounds, enabling rapid firing. It's particularly suitable for indoor training due to its limited power, allowing you to shoot pen rods or opt for safer 3D printed ammunition that poses no harm. Interestingly, a business idea emerged from the comments section. Combining this crossbow with Nerf ammunition would immediately attract potential buyers. For now, you can find the STL files for 3D printing on Thingiverse. Iris window. Have you ever observed those distinctive pedals that pivot back and forth on camera lenses? They're known as iris diaphragms, and their purpose is to regulate the quantity of light entering the camera. Now, imagine implementing a similar concept to enhance windows. A proficient individual embraced this challenge and crafted a 1.2-meter iris-style window for his front door. But that wasn't the end of his endeavor. Although he seldom shared new videos, it's regrettable because these windows would be ideal for Hollywood directors seeking to recreate scenes reminiscent of Home Alone or Stargate. (3D printed Aventador). Have you ever fantasized about owning a Lamborghini Aventador SV but were disheartened by its steep price tag, which starts at a minimum of $500,000? Well, here's an uplifting tale for you. A resourceful father and son duo accomplished the remarkable feat of constructing their own Aventador using a 3D printer. The remarkable project garnered attention from various publications, and to their astonishment, Lamborghini even sent them some authentic parts as a generous gesture. Among these parts were the headlights, each valued at $5,000. The components they printed were meticulously crafted from PLA plastic reinforced with carbon fiber. The end result is a vehicle weighing approximately 1.2 tons, and it is poised to leave a lasting impression on spectators at the Bandimir Speedway this upcoming August. Solar Power BBQ. In the midst of the ongoing debate among Italians, French, and Americans about the origins of barbecue, Sweden has introduced a unique twist. It appears that the solar energy revolution has made a notable impact, with a significant upsurge recorded last year, totaling 2.6 gigawatts. In this innovative spirit, even barbecues have embraced solar technology. Enthusiasts have painstakingly developed a system composed of 48 precisely aligned glass mirrors. While determining the ideal positioning demands some effort, the outcome is perfectly cooked meat, thanks to the barbecue reaching temperatures as high as 377 degrees Celsius. We can only hope for sunny days to favor these skilled craftsmen, without the excessive heat experienced in the previous year. Locust-shaped sweeping motorcycle. Take a look at this talented individual from Hong Kong who deserves recognition from industry leaders like Harley-Davidson and other motorcycle giants. He has brilliantly turned a discarded motorcycle into an impressive two-in-one custom masterpiece. First and foremost, the bike oozes style with its integrated speakers, laser lights, and a striking crazy locust design. Secondly, it offers functionality, allowing you not only to ride it but also to efficiently clean the streets using its cleverly designed exhaust pipes. Furthermore, this system provides a competitive advantage in races, leaving your opponents far behind in the dust. Quad-barrel air cannon. Welcome back, new recruits. Get ready to meet your new instructor, who will lead you in constructing a device that's nearly as impressive as Schwarzenegger's in Commando. Don't worry if you lack experience in soldering or programming. There's a simpler alternative available. We have a setup with nuts and buttons that anyone can handle. The list of components is readily accessible, and you can find everything you need on Amazon. As for ammunition, let your creativity run wild and shoot tomatoes, tennis balls, bottles, or any other objects you can think of. Additionally, if you incorporate a remote control, you can easily achieve a pressure of 1.35 atmospheres. However, please remember to check local laws first, as some states in the US may prohibit such devices. TR-1 aeroplane. During the 1970s, a remarkable feat occurred in the United States with the creation of the single-seat airplane known as the TR-1. This aircraft was characterized by its delightful simplicity, as it not only offered do-it-yourself kits, but also made the blueprints available for separate purchase. This innovative approach achieved resounding success, resulting in the sale of over 10,000 kits over a span of 40 years. Remarkably, even today, you have the opportunity to embark on this venture yourself, as a TR-2 kit can be acquired for approximately $8,000. This extraordinary TR-1 aircraft meticulously built entirely from scratch over the course of 8 years.